Sometimes our Wi-Fi shows connected, but the internet simply doesn't work. Websites won't open, app says no internet, or Windows shows error related to proxy or network settings. In this video, I will explain step-by-step method to fix the issue when Wi-Fi is connected but the internet is not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Please stay till the end because even one correct step can bring your internet back instantly. So let's get started. So first, let's start with the most common cause, incorrect proxy settings. So go to Windows search and here type control panel and open it. Now click on internet options. Go to the connections tab. Then click LAN settings. If you see any proxy server address or port filled in, delete the address and port. Then uncheck use a proxy server for your LAN. Now check automatically detect settings. Then click OK. Now go to the advanced tab. Click restore advanced settings. Click apply and then click OK. If there is any VPN profile listed under the connections tab, select it. Then click remove and then click OK. Now check your internet. Now as you can see, my internet is connected and working properly. If it's still not working, please continue. So first open settings. Then go to network and internet. Now click Wi-Fi or Ethernet if you are using a cable. Click on your connected Wi-Fi network. Here, check whether manual IP or DNS is assigned. If you see manual settings, click Edit. Now set IP assignment to automatic. Then click on Save. As you can see, I already have it set it to automatic, so I am not changing anything here. Then also set DNS assignment to automatic. After that, save the changes. If you see a message saying DNS settings for all Wi-Fi networks have been set, then you will need to change it from advanced settings. So go to settings. Then go to network and internet. Now click advanced network settings. Now expand Wi-Fi. Click view additional properties. From here, click on edit IP assignment. Then set it to automatic and then save. After that, edit DNS server assignment. Now also set it to automatic and then save. If these options are missing, don't worry. We can do the same thing from control panel. So open control panel. Then go to network and sharing center. Now click your connected Wi-Fi network. Then click properties. Now double click Internet Protocol version 4 IPv4. Then click properties. If manual IP or DNS is selected, select obtain an IP address automatically and select obtain DNS server address automatically. Then click OK. And now check your internet connection. If needed, you can also try Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS here and test again. Open settings. Then go to system. After that, go to troubleshoot. Now click other troubleshooter. Run network and internet troubleshooter. Now Windows will automatically detect problems and suggest fixes like restarting modem or router, restarting Wi-Fi adapter. So follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If the adapter restart doesn't work here, we will do it manually. So first go to Windows search, type services and open it. Now find WLAN autoconfig. Right click and then click on restart. If the service is not running, right click and then go to properties. Now set startup type to automatic. After that, click on start, then apply and OK. Open control panel. Go to network and sharing center. Now click on change adapter settings. Then right click your Wi-Fi adapter and select disable. After that, right click again and select enable. Now check the internet. If it's still not working, let's move ahead. So first go to Windows search and type CMD. Now click on run as administrator. Now in the command prompt window, type these commands one by one and press enter. I am not running these commands here because my internet connections is already working properly. However, if your network is still not working, you should run all of these commands exactly as shown. After running these commands, restart your PC and then check internet access. Go to settings. Then go to network and internet. Now click advanced network settings. Then click network reset. After that, click reset now. I am not doing the network reset here since my internet is working fine. But if your connection is still not working, this step may help. Open settings. Then go to apps. After that, go to installed apps. Remove any VPN profiles or remove any proxy servers if present. Some PCs come with VPN software pre-installed and this can occasionally cause internet or network conflicts. I have already removed them on my system, but if you have any VPN apps or profiles, please check and remove them. Open Device Manager. Expand network adapters. Now right click your Wi-Fi adapter. Intel, Realtek, Qualcomm, Broadcom, etc. Then click Update Driver. Since internet is not working, select Browse my computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list. Check Show compatible hardware. And from here, try installing available drivers one by one. If nothing works, right click and then uninstall device. After that, restart your PC and your driver will reinstall automatically. If Wi-Fi disappears after reinstall, then recheck WLAN autoconfig service and start it. Open command prompt as administrator. Now type netcfg space -d and then press enter. I won't run this command on my system because it fully resets all network adapters. But if your Wi-Fi is still not working, you can safely run this command and restart your PC afterward. This will completely reinstall all network adapters and mini ports. After restart, reconnect to Wi-Fi. And trust me, after doing this, your internet will definitely work properly again. So that's it for today. I truly hope one of these methods helped you fix the issue where Wi-Fi is connected but the internet is not working on your Windows PC. If this guide saved your time or solved your problem, then please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support really motivates me to bring more simple, honest and helpful Windows tutorial like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.